Did you know your iPhone 17 Pro Max can hit 50% charge faster than ever, but only if you pair it with the right gear? That's the catch. It's not just about plugging in, it's about choosing accessories that balance speed, convenience, and reliability. Today, I'm ranking the best charging options for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, comparing them head-to-head so you know exactly what's worth your money. Links are in the description if you want to grab any of these while you watch. Number 6. Auorld 45W Dual USB-C Charger. Let's kick things off with the Auorld 45W Charger, a wired powerhouse designed for speed. With dual USB-C ports and a 10-foot cable included, it juices your iPhone from dead to 80% in just 30 minutes. That's a game changer if you're in a rush before heading out. The long cable is especially handy when outlets aren't close by, like reaching from the wall to your couch or bed. Compared to Apple's 25W MagSafe puck, this charger is noticeably faster and more reliable for wired use. Sure, like most chargers, it slows past 80% to protect your battery, but that's expected. If you want no-nonsense speed and the flexibility to charge other devices too, this one deserves a spot in your bag. Number 5. Belkin 2-in-1 MagSafe Foldable Charger. Next, we've got the Belkin 2-in-1 MagSafe Charger, which brings convenience to the table. This one can charge your iPhone and Apple Watch at the same time, with up to 15W wireless output. Its foldable hinge lets you flip it between a stand for FaceTime calls and a flat pad for overnight charging. It even comes with a 20W USB-C adapter, so you don't need to buy one separately. Now, compared to Auorld's wired charger, yes, it's slower, but you're trading speed for the elegance of a tidy, cable-free setup. When stacked against Apple's single MagSafe puck, Belkin feels like the smarter buy because you get two devices charged at once. For anyone who wants a clutter-free nightstand or office desk, this is a winner. Number 4. LISEN 95Y WBSBC Car Charger. If you spend time driving, the LISEN 95W car charger is a lifesaver. It packs a 65W PD port and a 30W QC port, meaning you can power your iPhone to 80% in about 30 minutes, faster than many wall chargers. The built-in coiled cable keeps your car neat and tangle-free, while its metal build disperses heat far better than plastic alternatives. Even when powering two devices simultaneously, it holds speed well compared to competitors like Anker's 60W car charger. Whether it's a long road trip or just a busy day of errands, this accessory ensures your phone's never dying on you. Honestly, if car charging matters, LISEN sits in a league of its own. Number 3. Auorld 2-pack 60W USB-C wall charger. For households with multiple devices, the Auorld 2-pack 60Y wall chargers are game changers. Each unit features 2 USB-C and 3 USB-A ports, letting you power up 5 devices at once. That means your iPhone, iPad, AirPods, and even a Nintendo Switch can all charge together without noticeable slowdown. It's not quite as fast as a dedicated single-port charger, but the versatility is unmatched, especially when you factor in the 2-pack deal. Compared to Anker's 5.60W charger, this one delivers similar efficiency at a more affordable price. For families or power users juggling multiple gadgets daily, it's an easy choice that saves both money and outlet space. Number 2. UGREEN 240W USB-C to USB-C cable. Cables are often overlooked, but the UGREEN 24W WPD 3.1 cable is worth spotlighting. It's powerful enough to charge not only your iPhone 17 Pro Max, but also demanding devices like MacBook Pros and Dell XPS laptops. With nylon braiding, reinforced aluminum connectors, and an E-meter chip, it's engineered to handle serious wattage safely. Compared to Anker's 100W cable, UGREEN clearly future-proofs your setup with more power headroom. Yes, it's bulkier than a standard cable, and for just a phone, it might seem like overkill, but if you're the type who wants one cable that can do it all, from phone to laptop, this is a smart investment that saves you from carrying multiples. Number 1. Anker MagGo 10,000 mAh Power Bank. Finally, the star of the show, the Anker MagGo Power Bank. With its slim profile, 10,000 mAh capacity, and MagSafe compatibility, it's the perfect balance of portability and power. It delivers up to 15W wireless charging or 30 wired via USB-C, which is enough for nearly 2 full charges of your iPhone 17 Pro Max. The fold-out stand is perfect for watching videos while you charge, and the silicone coating keeps it from slipping around on surfaces. Plus, the real-time display shows exactly how much juice you've got left, something most power banks don't bother with. Compared to bulkier, slower options, the MagGo simply feels smarter, making it an essential pick for anyone constantly on the move. For pure wired speed, Auorld's 45W charger dominates. If you're always in the car, LISEN's 95W option can't be beaten. Families or multitaskers will get the most from Auorld's 60W multi-port setup, and power users will love UGREEN's beastly 240W cable. But for all-around versatility, wireless and wired speed, portability, and smart design, the Anker MagGo power bank is the clear winner. So now it's your turn. Would you go wired, wireless, or portable? Drop your pick in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and check the description for links to all these chargers.